Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll delve deeper into advanced troubleshooting techniques and potential repairs for your windshield washer pump. From testing the pump's electrical connections to checking for leaks and blockages, we'll explore the steps to take when simple fixes aren't enough. Get ready to learn how to diagnose and address more complex issues with your windshield washer pump. Repairing or replacing the windshield washer pump. When dealing with a malfunctioning windshield washer pump, the two primary options for resolution are repairing the faulty pump or replacing it altogether. Each approach has its considerations based on the extent of the issue and the feasibility of the solution. Repairing a faulty pump. Repairing a faulty windshield washer pump can be a cost-effective solution if the issue is minor and within your skill level. One common problem is a clogged pump, which can often be remedied by cleaning out debris or obstructions in the pump or hoses. This can sometimes restore the pump's functionality without the need for a full replacement. To repair a clogged windshield washer pump, start by locating the pump in your vehicle. Disconnect the hoses and check for any blockages. Use a mild detergent or windshield washer fluid to flush out any debris. Reassemble the components and test the pump to see if it is functioning properly. Replacing a defective pump. If the windshield washer pump is severely damaged or cannot be repaired, replacing it may be the best course of action. Replacement pumps are readily available at auto parts stores and are typically relatively easy to install, even for those with limited automotive experience. To replace a defective windshield washer pump, start by purchasing a new pump that is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Locate the existing pump and disconnect the electrical connector and hoses. Remove the old pump and install the new one in its place, reconnecting the hoses and electrical components. Test the new pump to ensure it is functioning correctly. Whether you opt to repair or replace your windshield washer pump, addressing issues promptly is crucial to maintaining clear visibility while driving. By understanding these options and taking the appropriate steps, you can keep your windshield washer system in optimal condition and ensure a safer driving experience. Preventive maintenance tips. Taking proactive steps to maintain your windshield washer pump can help you avoid unexpected issues on the road. Here are some simple preventive maintenance tips that can keep your windshield washer pump in top condition. Regularly clean washer nozzles. Ensuring that your washer nozzles are clean and unclogged is crucial for the efficient operation of your windshield washer system. Over time, dirt and debris can build up and block the nozzles, affecting the spray pattern and coverage. Regularly inspect the nozzles and use a fine needle or pin to clear any blockages gently. You can also run a piece of thin wire through the nozzles to ensure proper cleaning. Use high-quality washer fluid. Using a high-quality washer fluid is essential for maintaining the longevity of your windshield washer pump. Opt for a washer fluid that is formulated to prevent mineral buildup and residue in the system. Quality washer fluids also contain additives that help improve cleaning performance, especially in tough weather conditions. Make sure to check the level of washer fluid regularly and top it up as needed to prevent running the system dry. Inspect and test the washer system periodically. Periodically inspecting and testing the entire washer system can help you catch any potential issues before they escalate. Check the hoses, connections, and pump for signs of leaks, cracks, or wear. Test the system by activating the washer pump and observing the spray pattern and strength. If you notice any irregularities or weak sprays, it may indicate a problem with the pump or other components that require attention. Regular maintenance checks can help you address issues promptly and avoid costly repairs in the future. By following these preventive maintenance tips, you can ensure that your windshield washer pump operates smoothly and keeps your windshield clear for optimal visibility on the road. Regular cleaning, using quality fluid, and periodic inspections are simple yet effective ways to extend the life of your washer system and maintain its performance over time. Thank you for exploring the troubleshooting steps for a windshield washer pump. By following the detailed guide provided in this article, you can effectively diagnose and resolve common issues with your vehicle's washer pump system. Stay informed and empowered. Keeping your car's windshield washer pump in good working condition is essential for safe driving. By familiarizing yourself with the troubleshooting techniques outlined here, you can address minor problems early on and prevent costly repairs down the road. Regular maintenance saves money. Remember, regular maintenance checks on your vehicle's washer pump can save you time and money in the long run. Simple tasks like checking fluid levels and cleaning nozzles can go a long way in ensuring that your windshield washer system functions optimally. Seek professional help when needed. If you encounter persistent issues or are unsure about diagnosing a problem with your windshield washer pump, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a qualified mechanic. Professional expertise can help resolve complex issues and keep your car running smoothly. Safe and clear vision ahead. A properly functioning windshield washer pump is crucial for maintaining clear visibility while driving. By taking proactive steps to troubleshoot and address any issues promptly, you can enjoy safe travels with a clear view of the road ahead. Drive confidently. With the knowledge gained from this guide, you can approach windshield washer pump concerns with confidence. Stay proactive, stay informed, and ensure that your vehicle's essential systems are always in top condition for a smooth and safe driving experience. As we conclude our two-part series on troubleshooting your windshield washer pump, we hope you've gained valuable insights into diagnosing and addressing common issues. Remember, by following proper maintenance and troubleshooting procedures, you can keep your windshield washer pump in optimal condition and ensure clear visibility on the road. Until next time, may you continue to enjoy safe and comfortable driving experiences. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.